This 2026 Thor Motor Coach Quantum LZ22 is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 24 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 4, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, LP detector, TV, stovetop burner, refrigerator, awning, air conditioning, slide-out, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2026 Thor Motor Coach Quantum LZ22 is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.